Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can embed Google Maps to your Canva design. But before we tackle the problem, the question is it possible to embed your Google Maps location? Let's say you're running a business and then you want to showcase your location through your Canva design, which later you want to share on social media. Can you do that? Well, I think it was possible. I said was because right now, from some apps that I tried, apparently it doesn't work anymore. So if you are curious, you can go to the apps menu and you can search for an app called Embed. You can open it and click open, and you can paste your Google Map URL right here, or you can also click here. But from my testing, it doesn't work. Basically, Google Maps refused to connect to this app, and also there is another third-party app called Google Maps, and the same is true for Google Maps as well. This is not working. When you click on any of them, it's not going to show the map. It's just showing an error message. If you're curious, you can give it a try, but it doesn't work. I don't know what happened, but maybe there is some restriction from Canva that prevents any third-party website to be connected to the Canva design, perhaps for a security reason. But fear not, because there is a slightly less modern technique that you could try, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to add a new page, and let's change the background to black. And now what I'm going to do is I will go to Google Maps, and then you can search for your business location, and then here I'm going to just take a screenshot, and I will embed the screenshot to this design. And fortunately, the process is quite easy. If you know how to screenshot, then I think you already know how to do this. But there is a simple or faster way to do it, especially if you are using Windows. So if you're using Windows, you can press the keyboard shortcut Windows, the window key on the keyboard, Windows, Shift, and S. So Windows, Shift, and S. It will create something like this. And now I can start creating an area that I want to show on my Canva design. When you're done, you see that it's nothing, but it's actually being copied to your clipboard. And on Canva, you can start pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard to show or to paste the screenshot immediately. It's not perfect, it's far from it, but I think it's very similar when you embedding the map using a traditional method. And also you can also add a hyperlink to this image, so when someone click on this image, when you share the document and then someone click on the image, they should be able to navigate to your location on Google Maps. To get the link, you can go to your Google Maps location again, click share, and on the send a link tab, click copy link, and go back to Canva, right click on it, and you want to add some link using Ctrl and K shortcut or using this menu, and you can paste the URL and click done. There you go. That's how you can embed maps to your Canva design. This is not perfect, at least this is something, some alternative that we can try right now. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.